Ever found the perfect image on Google but struggled to grab its direct link to share or use elsewhere? This tutorial will show you exactly how to get that elusive image URL, making sharing and embedding a breeze. First, perform your Google image search as you normally would. Let's say we're looking for a cute cat picture. Once you find an image you like, click on it. This will open a larger preview of the image. Here's the crucial step. Look for the View Image button. It's usually located in the top left corner of this preview screen. Click on View Image. This action takes you to a new page where the image is displayed by itself. Notice the address bar at the very top of your browser. The text you see in the address bar right now is the direct URL of the image. This is the link you've been looking for. Now, simply copy this entire URL. You can do this by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut. You can now paste this direct image link anywhere you need it to share with friends, embed it in a blog post, or use it in your web development projects. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly and easily get the direct URL for any image you find on Google.